SALWACO and funded by the government of Sierra Leone. And of course, SALWACO is directly under the supervision of the Ministry of Water Resources. The 6 Towns Water Supply Project has got 2 components. One is the design and work supervision side, and the other one is the construction aspect, which is the works contracts. As we speak, there are 3 approved works contracts currently. One for Kambia. The Kambia contract is a lot 6 contract. We have another contract for MWR approved, which is the lot 7 contract, and we have another 1 contract approved for Kabbalah, which is the lot 2 contract. For the Kambia, we are supposed to have a complete system, but the project was divided into 2 aspects. One, the water treatment component, and the other side, the distribution network, supply and installation of distribution pipelines. For the contract that was approved by the Ministry of Finance, is the supply and installation of distribution networks and the rehabilitation of major staff quarters. Contract was signed in January, I think the 20th of January 2021. Advance payment was made in April to the contractor, but 80% of this work is supply of pipeline and installation of pipelines on this particular contract. The contractor placed in order for the supply of HDPE pipes and fittings of various sizes as per contract. A team from the Ministry of Water Resources, SALWACO, and the consulting team, because we have a consultant supervising the activities of this work, went to Ivory Coast to do international inspection and quality assurance on the materials to be procured. They did all the tests required as per contract, and they gave an approval certificate to the contractor to go ahead with the procurement of the pipes and fitting, because they meet the standard set by the contract, the technical specifications. Pipes have been manufactured, and the contractor have started supplying pipes to the site. Currently, we have about 12.5 kilometers of pipes supplied to the site. That makes up to 48% of the total contract progress, if you evaluate that one. And very soon, the contractor is going to start with the installation of pipes. We had some challenges really with the implementation of this project with respect to payment of advance payments to the contractors, because contracts were signed in January and advance payments were made in April. So there has been like 3 months lapse in receiving advance payment and for the contractors to fully mobilize. But the good thing is that the timeline for this particular project is 18 months, and we still have sufficient time for the contractor to go ahead and implement the project successfully. So as we speak, the pipes are here. The progress on all the activities as per contract has been highlighted in the progress report that will be submitted formally to the Minister of Water Resources for their review, comments, and follow-up on activities that are required to be achieved as per the implementation framework and the work schedule submitted by the contractor. There are certain activities that progress has been completed, like the mobilization of the contractor, provision of performance bond, setting up of site office for the contractor and for the engineer, the consulting engineer. All these activities have been completed, and rehabilitation of and maintenance of existing buildings. It was done. The contractor evaluated the progress at 100%. But when we came to site, we realized that there are certain activities that were not properly done, so he has to redo them. So our evaluation is at 60%, but instructions have been provided to the contractor to at least make good all the facilities that we are rehabilitated to meet the specifications of the contract. So as we speak, some of the pipes are here. Very soon the contractor is going to start excavation, which makes up to 80% of the contractual percentage, if you evaluate as per percentage. So this is the current status for the work in the Kambia side.